next question, we would like to factor the trinomial 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. What we can do here is use decomposition. We would like to find two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. The sum is 5, the product is 6. Those two numbers are going to be 3 and 2. So we can now decompose this 5x into 3x and 2x. We can write it as 3x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 2. So we've decomposed 5x into 3x plus 2x. We can now factor the first two terms. We can factor out 3x and we're left with x plus 1 inside. And we can factor the next two terms. We factor out a 2 and we're left with x plus 1 inside. If we've done it correctly, then we have the same binomial in each bracket. And perhaps the best way to explain this next part, the theory of it, is to let this x plus 1 be a new variable. You don't have to show this necessarily when you're doing a question, but I want to explain the theory behind it. We let u equal x plus 1. So what we really have is 3xu plus 2u. And we can now factor out the u from both terms. And we're left with 3x plus 2. And if we do that, we can then substitute the u back in, and we're left with x plus 1 times 3x plus 2. Now, of course, I should have equal signs here. So this equals that, and then this would equal that, and that would equal that. This is our final answer, x plus 1 times 3x plus 2. And so a shortcut that people come to rely on is when they have the same binomial in each bracket, they make the first bracket whatever that binomial is, in this case x plus 1, and they make the second bracket the 3x plus 2. X plus 1 times 3x plus 2.